Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test, and today we're looking at the new H-King Super Kinetic powered glider from our friends at hobbyking.com. Now what Hobby King say about this is that if you're looking for something that's a really versatile model and it suits powered off gliding and tearing around like a pylon racer, then this Super Kinetic is it. It comes in plug and fly format, so you've just got to add your own radio system and battery. It's got this wide flight envelope suited for high-speed aerobatics and off-power gliding. It's got an all-moving horizontal stabilizer, ball-linked push rods, EPO foam construction, so it's really durable, folding prop and spinner, easy access magnetic battery hatch. And just to add to that is there's little or no assembly to do with this. You just got to click the tail plane together. You've got to click the wings in place, connect everything up to your receiver, and you are ready to go. So the specs are 815mm wingspan, 629mm length. Speed controller is a 20 amp. It's a 1000 kV brushless outrunner, and the 4 5-gram servos are in place and are already hooked up to the control surfaces. So let's not hang around, let's take the components out of the box, let's see what we get. Okay, so these are the components out of the box. So looking at the fuselage first, we can see we've got the brushless outrunner and the folding prop already in place. If we take off the top hatch, which is held on with a nice magnet on top, you can see we've got the throttle and the rudder and the elevator leads to go into the receiver, and that our speed controller is already in there. Good. Wing just pushes into the back here and is held down with that just by twisting that. Looking underneath, this is where your battery goes, in this battery hatch. Again, it's magnetic, nice big magnet there to hold that down. You've got a bit of Velcro inside to put onto your battery to fit snugly into here, and your JST connector. Snaps shut. We've got nice bits of plastic underneath to reinforce the bottom for when we land as well, in 3 positions on the bottom. Rudder is already hooked up. All moving tailplane goes in here. Easily done. So no glue needed to put this model together. And on the wing you can see we've got the aileron servos already in place and connected up, and the Y lead as well to pull through to the front of the fuselage and put into the receiver. So not a lot to do. What you need to fly this battery wise, 3-cell 850 milliamp power pack with a JST connector to fit the JST that's on the speed controller, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to put this together quickly now, put my receiver in, let's take this down the flying field for its first flight. Nice sounding servos. All right.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
All right, action. Okay, so here we go. The new H-King Super Kinetic from hobbyking.com. Powered glider, as I was saying, really easy to put together. Well, I mean, you just push the tail plane together, put on the wing, put in your receiver, put in your battery, boom, you're ready to go. So let's see how it goes. Got a bit of poke. So we'll try a bit of aerobatics, we'll try a bit of gliding. Not a good hand launch, but it's all right. Well, that was pretty uneventful, wasn't it? I mean, I did have to put some down in. So it just took a few seconds to trim it out. I had to put some down trim in. But look at this, I mean, this is nice slow. You'd call that slow, wouldn't you? That is nice and slow. That's pretty slow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or put the power on. And you go into pylon race mode.
Oh, it's got a good whistle to it.
Or you go back into relaxing mode and nice and gentle. You love that. That's what they mean by a wide flight envelope. Love that. I mean, it's even slower than the slowpoke that we were flying earlier, James.
Yeah, it looks like it actually. Can you go up high, shut engine down and do a kind of a whistle?
A whistling path.
Whistling
You want
path.
a bit of speed, you want a bit of speed.
Yeah.
Climbing, climbing, climbing.
Get the engine off and just hear that
engine
howl.
off.
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Engine off. That
Nice.
was power off. Should we try power
Yeah.
on?
Whoa. That's quick.
And aerobatics. So let's do some arrows. 4-point roll. Smooth roll. Ish.
You might want to do another one of those.
You have to explore it a bit to learn how to do these things.
Nice.
Bit knife edge. Okay, let's try some real, if I got a bit of power, pull up, I'm going to pull up hard. And it doesn't snap out. That's nice. I'm just amazed how slow it will fly. Crazy. Crazy, crazy.
Cut.
Let's have a look at what's happening. I think in truth I got a bit disorientated there, but hold on. Let's put the receiver back in first. Put the canopy back in. Snap that back in. The full clicks back in. The battery got ejected, so we connect that back up. Speed controller arms itself. That clips back in, and we're ready to go again. So, as we like to prove on Essential RC that things are robust, that's pretty impressive. And we're ready to go again. can't say that it's a fragile model. That it took that quite well, considering I went in nose first. So let's land. So there we go. So super kinetic, yeah, I'd say super slow, fairly aerobatic, and certainly super robust. You know, I went nose in there. I was trying to be a bit flash and do a bit of inverted, got a bit disorientated. Can happen to anyone. So pretty impressed with this. Bit of a keeper. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. You might want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Press the button in the bottom left now, or you might want to join our Facebook group for news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway. But thanks for watching. Thanks for James on camera. See you next time. Thanks. There we go.